everyone, welcome to Aroma's Kitchen, and I'm really happy that you guys follow me and look up my videos, and I hope you guys keep trying too. So today it's paratha, so just a simple paratha, very simple recipe. I'm going to show you in my mom's style. So we got the 1 cup, like a 1 bowl of whole wheat atta, and then 1 cup of water, like a warm water, 1 teaspoon of salt, and I need oil. So oil, I will show you how much we need it. So I got the bowl, so I'm going to show you how we can start to make the dough for the paratha. Okay, so got the atta, so I'm going to add the atta in here in the bowl, and salt, and a little bit oil, not a lot, just a little oil. This is the warm water, so I'm going to start making the dough. So I always add a very little water and keep like a mixing, so the dough won't get too soft, so we cannot make the parathas. So you can see how I am making, so very little water I'm adding and making the dough. So probably need a little bit more water because I have a whole bowl of whole wheat atta. So I'm going to get more water and add some more water. So you need to just make it like thick, so the paratha you can make it really nicely. So I'm going to get some more water. Okay, so you can see how it's coming up. So just keep doing it, add the water, unless you see it's not too thick, not too soft. So we need a really nice the dough to be make parathas. Okay, so you can see how nicely it's coming up. So I'm going to add a little bit oil, just the parathas comes up really good, crispy. So that's it, very little oil, and now I'm going to leave it for at least 5 minutes and then start making the parathas. Okay, so the dough is ready, you can see how nicely. So I'm going to put it in this bowl, the same bowl I used. So I'm going to wrap it with the plastic and leave it for 5 minutes. So we got the plastic, so I'm going to wrap it really nicely and just keep it for 5 minutes, and then I can start making the parathas. Okay, so the dough is ready and it's been 5 minutes. Now it looks really good. So I'm going to start show you guys how to make the parathas in my mom's style. Okay. Okay, so I got the 4 parathas, the dough ready. And the meantime, I just put the skillet on the stove. This is like a nice pan, non-stick. I think it's the better have a non-stick. So this is the like a medium size. So the meantime, I'm making the parathas, so that will get hot, so we can start making the parathas. So you need to turn the heat low. Okay. So I'm not using a butter inside, I'm using the oil, so it's olive oil or any oil, avocado oil, you can use any type of oil. It's a very quick recipe and Parathas always sounds so good with anything, any curry, dal or any vegetables. So this is ready, and I'm going to little bit oil in it and just mix nicely. Then I will use the whole wheat flour on it. Roll it, so one side and another side like this and this. This is my mom's style paratha, so very yummy. So it's ready, and you can see it's ready. So you can make any shape, so I like this shape. It reminds me always my mom. So really nice and small, not too big. And it's going. Okay, so the paratha is start cooking, and I always add the oil when it's a little bit cooked. Now I'm going to add a little bit oil, and you can see how like a puffy and nice. You can see how nicely it's cooking. Soft, crispy. You can use a ghee too, so if you have a ghee, you can use the ghee, and you can use a butter, but I always like with the oil, so you can use a healthy oil like avocado or any good oil. This paratha you can eat even without anything, so it's super good. Okay, so it's getting ready, and I'm going to turn the heat low because I wanted to make it more crispy. So it's a very simple 3 steps. You make the dough, roll it, cook it. That's it. It's only 3 steps and easy. Okay, so it's ready, and you can see the layers. It's everything coming out, so super good. Okay, so the paratha is ready, nice and crispy, and here you go. So I'm going to show you guys how nicely and crispy is it. So yummy. So I add a little bit oil. It's not too much that you can like a flowing all over. So it's a very dry and nice and like a healthy too. So it's totally vegan. So try this because I have a lot of vegan kids. So we need to have not use the butter. So you can use oil or something like a plant-based butter. So this is ready, and simple recipe, very quick. Please do try this, and always yummy. And I like to share this because it's my mom's recipe, and I wanted to share how great is this one. So please do subscribe my channels and like my more videos so you can get the new videos, simple, quickly recipes. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Thank you.